Good morning. Welcome you all to our EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Hi, good morning. Welcome back to EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Today we will discuss daily MCQ quiz, important days of the months and themes, organizations, heads and headquarters. Let's start the quiz. Scientists at the CSIR's Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology have come up with low-cost coronavirus test kit named as Feluda. Researchers of which university have developed an app, Wash Karo, which warns people about containment zone nearby and helps the news item genuine or fake? Answer: IIT Delhi. On which river boats Border Roads Organization constructed and opened a new permanent bridge that connects the Kosovo enclave in Punjab with the rest of the country? Answer is Ravi River, that is 484-meter permanent bridge. Which state education department has launched Sampark Didi mobile app for students during COVID-19 lockdown? Answer: Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand state government launched these Sampark Didi app for students. World Health Organization has been launched last week of April 24 to 30 April as a World Immunization Week. Theme of World Immunization Week is Vaccine Work for All. Confederation of Indian Industry has projected India's GDP growth rate at dash percent for the financial year 2020-21. 0.9 to 1.5 percentage. Here some are the forecasts are shown. GDP growth rate cuts by various agencies for India. UN 4.8 percentage, ADB 4 percentage, CRISIL 3.5 percentage, Moody's 2.5 percentage, ICRA 2 percentage, International Monetary Fund 1.9 percentage, S&P Fitch Solutions 1.8 percentage, World Bank 1.5 percentage to 2.8 percentage, Fitch Ratings 0.8 percentage, Confederation of Indian Industry 0.9 to 1.5 percentage. Fitch Ratings Global Economic Outlook India's GDP growth rate is projected how much for the year 2020 to 21? Answer: 0.80. Earlier we discussed all agencies' GDP growth rate. Which country will host 2021 UEFA Women's Championship was postponed by 1 year? Answer: England. Who has been named IPL's greatest of all time captain by a Star Sports jury? Answer: MS Dhoni. World Malaria Day observed on 25th April. The theme of World Malaria Day is Zero Malaria Starts With Me. SpaceX has successfully launched how many internet beaming satellites into orbit for its ambitious internet project Starlink? Answer: 60. Which small finance bank has ranked 5th among best large workplace in Asia 2020? Answer: Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. has been ranked 5th among the best large workplace in Asia 2020. Who has been inaugurated mobile BSL-3 VRDL lab developed by DRDO recently? Answer: our Honorable Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated this mobile BSL-3 VRDL lab developed by DRDO. Which Indian public sector bank has launched working capital demand loan for agriculture sector? Answer: Indian Overseas Bank. This is launched COVID line of support for MSME, micro small medium enterprises. Special features is working capital demand loan up to 1 crore for 12 months. Nil margin, repayment in 6 monthly installments, no prepayment charges. All existing MSME customers can avail this offer. Which Indian state has launched Aptamitra helpline toll-free number and application to empower fight against coronavirus? Karnataka government launched this Aptamitra helpline and app to fight COVID-19. Yes, this was the daily current affairs quiz, and we will discuss some important days and themes of April from 19 to 24. 19th April, World Liver Day. 21st April, National Civil Service Day, and also celebrated World Creativity and Innovation Day. 22nd April, World Earth Day, and the theme is Climate Action. 23rd April, World Books Day. 24th April, National Panchayati Raj Day. 25th April, World Malaria Day, and the theme is Zero Malaria Starts With Me. From 24 to 30 April, World Immunization Week. The theme of World Immunization Week is Vaccine Works for All. We will discuss heads, headquarters, and organizations, and all IOC, International Olympic Committee, headquarters at Lausanne, Switzerland, head Thomas Bach, established year 1894. FIH, International Hockey Federation, Lausanne, Switzerland, head Narendra Batra, establishment year 1924. WFF, Worldwide Fund for Nature, headquartered at Gland, Switzerland, head Marco Lambertini, establishment year 1961. FIFA, Federation International Football Association, headquarters at Zurich, Switzerland, head Gianni Infantino, establishment year 1904. WHO, World Health Organization, headquarters at Geneva, Switzerland, head Tedros Adhanom, year 1948. ILO, International Labour Organization, headquarters at Geneva, Switzerland, head Guy Ryder, year 1919. WTO, World Trade Organization, headquarters at Geneva, Switzerland, head Roberto Azevedo, establishment year 1995. WMO, World Meteorological Organization, headquarters at Geneva, Switzerland, head Petteri Talas, establishment year 1950. WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, headquarters at Geneva, Switzerland, head Francis Gurri, establishment year 1967. WEF, World Economic Forum, headquarters at Cologne, Geneva, Switzerland, head Klaus Schwab, establishment year 1971. UNCTAD, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, headquarters Geneva, Switzerland, head Mukisa Kityu. ISSF, International Shooting Sports Federation, headquarters at Munich, Germany, head Vladimir Lisin, establishment year 1907. IAAF, International Association of Athletic Federation, headquarters at Monaco, head Sebastian Coe, establishment year 1894. Yeah, these are all today's MCQs, static GK. Thank you. Jai Hind. If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.